Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. The boy and a girl are talking. Let's go for shopping. They reach at the shopping mall. They are wondering. They are looking here and there. They have decided what to buy. If they want to buy something, what they need? They need money, rupees. Chapter number 10, Money. We need many things in our everyday life. Food, books, clothes, and so on. 1. We need these things, we pay for them using money. Money can be in notes or coins. What shape are all coins? What shape are all notes? Find out how much a pencil costs. Is it more or less than an eraser? How much more or less? Learning objectives. Understanding money. Counting money. Fill in the blanks. Write the price on tag. Let's make revision of. Fill in the blanks. Get ready with your notebook. Start writing. The side showing the value of the coin is called dash. Options are heads or tails. Now tell me, what will be the answer? Is it heads or tails? Where you can see the number value of the coin, what is it called? The answer is tails. T-A-I-L-S. T-I-L-S, tails. Now repeat after me, everyone. The side showing the value of the coin is called tails. Repeat once again. The side showing the value of the coin is called tails. Number 2. FIF TEEN 15 RU PEES rupees is WRITTEN written as rupees dash. What will be the answer? The question is 15 rupees is written as rupees dash. So answer is 1515. 15 FIFTEEN 15 is the form of number name. We have to write it on a numerical way. So 1515 is the answer. Number 3. 100 rupees is written as rupees dash. ONE1 HUNDRED 100 RUPEES rupees is WRITTEN written as rupees dash. So 100 is the number name for 100. So we should fill this blank with number 100. 100 rupees is written as rupees 100. 100. Number 4. 1 RUPEE rupee is the same as dash 25 paisa coin. So how much coins of 25 paisa we need to make 1 rupee? We need 4 25 paisa coin. 1 rupee is the same as 4 25 paisa coins. Number 5, 2 50 paisa coins is the same as 1 dash coin. 250 paisa coin is the same as 1 rupees coin. Number 6, if I have TY 50, PAISE paisa is WRITTEN return as dash. Five 50 and P stands for paisa. 50 paisa is written as 5050 P. Number 7, 20 rupees is written as rupees dash. TWENTY 20 RUPEES rupees is WRITTEN return as rupees dash. We have to fill this blank with the numerical value of 20. 20. Number 8, 1 RUPEE rupee is equal to dash PAISE paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Everyone write the heading. COUNT count. HOW how. MUCH much. MONEY money. Count how much money. Draw the circle and write 5, the numerical value of coin of 5. You can see here we have some 5 rupees coins. We want to know about the total of this money. Let us see how many coins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 5 rupees coins. Five plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. What will be the answer? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20. Plus 5, 25. Plus 5, 30. Plus 5, 35. 5 sevens are 35. So, in this box, everyone write down rupees 35. We have 7 5 rupees coin here. By making total of that coins at the end, we get 35. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and plus 5. 5 sevens are 35. Number B. Now look, here we have 3 coins, but each coin is with different values. This is 5 rupees coin, this is 2 rupees coin, and this is 1 rupees coin. So what is the total amount? How can we understand this? Let us see. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. We have total 8 rupees here. In this box, everyone write down rupees 8. Now see, here we have combination of notes and coins. See, what is the value of this note? This is 10 rupees note. 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, and again 2 rupees coin. Here we have 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees and 1 rupees. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. What will be the total? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Plus 1, 26. The total amount of this money is 26. 10 plus 10, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 1, 26. Number E, 10 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 2 and 1. So let's make counting. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. Total 28. So, here total we have 28 rupees. Let's make a revision once again so that you all understand how to count the money. Count how much money. We have some 5 rupees coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are going to add all that 5 rupees coins. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 plus 5 25 plus 5 30 plus 5 35. The total value of these coins are 35. We can say that these are total 35 rupees. How can you write this exercise in your notebook? You have to draw the circle and write the value of that coin only, 5. Make a circle and write 5 inside it. Make 7 circles. Is equal to, make a rupees sign and in this box write the total amount of that money. Now see, here we have some coins which are having different numerical values. This is 5 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. Let's make the total. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Again, you have to draw the image of coins. 3, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupees is equal to, write the sign of rupees and in the box write the total value of this money, which is 8 rupees. 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupee Total we have 8 rupees here. Now we have the combination of notes and coins. So first we have 10 rupees note. Again we have 10 rupees note, 5 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin. So how will you write this in your notebook? Make a rectangle and write the number value of given money, which is 10 rupees. Make 2 rectangles and 2 small squares and write the numerical value of given coins. So as we have 2 10 rupees notes, 1 5 rupee coin and 1 1 rupee coin. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Plus 1, 26. Here we have total 26 rupees. ₹10 plus ₹10, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupee. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 2, 27 plus 1, 28. Here we have total 28 rupees. My dear students, today we learn and write, count how much money. In your homework, you have to complete this exercise in your maths fair book with a very good handwriting. And you have to draw the notes as I explained. As well, you have to draw the coins as I have explained. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.